Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is super exciting. I'm introducing a new series for you guys. You guys already know by the title or whatever. But anyways, if you guys want to know what this series is going to be all about, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay. Moment you guys all been waiting for. I'm introducing a new series because you guys loved my drunk makeup videos, right? And ever since I did those videos, ever since I did the first one, you guys kept wanting more and more and more, and I called it quits after some time because it was just, I don't know, like I just didn't want to, like, I don't know, but apparently you guys really love those videos, so I did want to bring it back, but I'm not in that space where I want to be like actually drinking like harsh liquor. Like, I'm in my 20s, I'm young, so I'm gonna have some fun, and I know those are super relatable because you guys can relate to just being young and having fun and all of that stuff. But I wanted to bring it back in like a better way that is more suitable to who I am now, and I don't know, it's just gonna be more fun. So, are you ready to hear my new series? Drum roll, please. Wine Chat Wednesdays! Hey! It's about to be super duper fun, and I'm so excited about this because I was thinking about how can I incorporate, because I love wine. Wine is life. But also not overwhelm you guys and not necessarily do the drunk videos again because they're kind of just like, I don't know, I just don't feel like doing those videos anymore, but I understand that you guys really like them. So now we're a little bit more grown and sexy here. We have wine, and also I'm not going to be doing my makeup. In the past I was doing drunk makeup videos. Yeah, so I did those kind of videos before, and like challenges on like a 5-minute makeup challenge while drunk or whatever it was. But I feel like I want to be putting makeup on my face, right? Like, I just don't want to keep doing those kinds of videos, so I elevated it a little bit, and now it's like Wine Chat Wednesdays. So this is a way for you guys, whoever's 21 and older in America, outside of America, just follow the regulations, okay? I'm not endorsing anybody to drink alcohol or anything. This is just something that I indulge in, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people indulge in, and every once in a while, not every day, but every once in a while, and this is just my way of entertaining you guys, one, and also just connecting with you guys in a fun way. Oh, also, a disclaimer, I know people feel a way or have felt a way negatively about these videos in the past. I want to apologize if anything, any video that I've ever done, even cutting up the Yeezys, ever offended you guys. That was never my intention, but I'm sorry. I'm still sorry though. I actually am sorry. I don't like to make people feel bad or anything. Yeah, so I know people have felt negatively about those types of videos as well, and I just want to put out a disclaimer that I personally don't feel like I'm not hurting anybody by doing these videos. Like, I'm not hurting you. Yeah, I personally go by a rule of thumb is if it's really hurting people, then I'm doing something wrong, but I'm not hurting anybody by entertaining people in a way that's really not affecting anybody. You understand what I mean? Like, I'm not actually hurting anybody, even though it may bother your feelings and stuff. I'm not actually hurting anybody. And again, I know that there are kids and stuff on YouTube, and kids, if you're watching this video, or anybody that's not supposed to be drinking, if you're watching this video, just know that you're not supposed to be drinking wine or any alcoholic beverages. I've always said this too. I'm not endorsing alcohol drinking in any way. This is just, again, a video. This is, yeah. I don't know what other way to say that. I don't really know what else to say. So what's gonna happen in these videos is every Wednesday, there's gonna be a Wine Chat Wednesday. I might skip a week. I don't know yet. This is something new for me, so hang in there with me and we'll figure this out together. But every Wednesday there's definitely going to be a video for you guys, which is cool because it's holding me accountable that I do have a video to do every week. And that's not to say that you won't get other videos. There's going to be other videos mixed in there sporadically, but on Wednesdays we drink wine. You get it? Cool. So it's a good day for us to also, whoever's watching on the other side of the camera, if you're of age, wherever you're at, to relax and hopefully we can have some sort of conversation and stuff. It'd be better if it was live, but I'm not doing it live, so please don't ask me. Maybe sometime in the future, but for right now, I'm just gonna be doing the videos. Okay, let me get on this first. So basically every Wednesday, yeah, I'm gonna do a video where I'm gonna indulge in some wine. My favorites are reds, but I definitely do drink whites as well. So what's gonna happen in these videos is I'm gonna pick something to do or something to talk about. I have M&Ms over there, so I'm gonna say, let's say this week I'm talking about M&Ms. It's kind of gonna be like my Ken Talks actually, but my Ken Talks are super kind of like serious and more like focused, whereas this time is not gonna be as focused. We're gonna be a lot more chill and we're gonna talk about whatever, even if it's something, if there was something that was trending today or whatever. Maybe I'm gonna be a couple days late because I'm gonna be pre-recording some of these videos in order to have them for Wednesday. It's not gonna be necessarily on Wednesday. Yeah, so it might be from Tuesday or whatever. I just wanted to do a quick little introduction to let you guys know. Let me know in the comments down below if you're feeling it. Let me know, because I'm really excited about it. So if you guys have topics that you want me to address on a Wine Chat Wednesday, you can always let me know in the comments or whatever. Just let me know and we can do that. I might start asking you guys for topics as we go on too. If the series is not doing well and I'm starting and I feel like I just kind of like don't want to do it anymore because of whatever reason, then you can expect that to happen as well. I like to address and revisit certain things and kind of see how it goes. So basically this is just like a new journey for me and you, and we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see if this is a cool series, and we're gonna see how this works out. I wish I would have started it at the beginning of quarantine though, because it's perfect, but whatever, we're still in quarantine, so better late than never, right? Or better never. Okay, whatever. Yes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys are excited. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited for Wine Chat Wednesdays, and I hope you guys will be joining me with your glasses of wine as well. I don't have a time for it or anything, but maybe I should upload it maybe around like the evening time so you guys can actually unwind and it's not like early in the morning. I usually upload my videos early afternoon, but maybe these videos I'll keep them a little bit later in the day so you guys can actually like unwind and watch. Sounds like a good idea. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this series and if you guys are digging it or not. Do people even say digging it anymore? Yeah, I'm starting to feel old. God damn. It caught me. It caught me. It's time for me to get off the camera. I'm starting to get hot. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.